Good morning, all my dear students of class 6. As we have already finished the lesson Types of Map, let me give you what we have done in the last class. As you can see in the picture, the name of the lesson is Types of Map, where we have learned about maps and classification of maps, types of map. In types of map, what we have learned about small scale map, large scale map. Again, in small scale map, I already told you that small scale maps are maps of a large area in small size and they do not show much detail. Maps that you see in an atlas are small scale. About large scale maps are maps of a smaller area in a large size with more detail. An example is a topographical map on the basis of content or purpose. Maps can be classified as political, physical, and thematic maps. Now, as you can see in the picture, it's an example of physical map. Now, what is physical map? It is written here that a physical map shows the detailed picture of landforms and water bodies like the mountains, plains, plateaus, oceans, rivers, seas, and lakes with various colors. So it's a beautiful example of physical map, where we can see the physiographic condition of a particular area. Next picture is all about a political map. So in a political maps show the boundaries of countries, states and districts with different symbols. It also shows the location of cities, towns and villages. So as I already told you that in a physical map, we will get to know about the physiographic conditions such as plateaus, plains, mountains, oceans, river, etc. In the same way, in political map shows the boundaries of countries, such as the borders of different countries, states and districts with different symbols. It also shows the location of cities, towns and villages. Next one is about thematic map. So about thematic map, I already told you that thematic maps show specific features like the distribution of soils, minerals, crops and population. They focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall and distribution of natural vegetation, industries, minerals, and many more. Climatic maps depict weather conditions such as temperature, rainfall, pressure, and wind direction of a particular place. The detail about a particular place is term of tourist interest called a tourist map. So thematic maps naturally normally deals with the theme of a particular map, such as thematic map shows specific features like the distribution of soil, mineral, crops, and population. Also, they focuses on specific information such as the road maps, rainfall, and distribution of natural vegetation, industries, minerals, and many more. As well as climatic maps are also known as thematic map. As you can see here, it's a beautiful example of a thematic map. Next, this one I already explained you people. Already I explained about the river system. So in the river system, first the river starts from a source of the river, the glacier. Then this one is tributary. This is Mender. This is known as confluence, where two tributaries met or two river met. Then it's river. This is the Oxbow Lake. This is delta. This is estuary. This is known as channel, and this is the mouth of the river, where the river meet with the sea. Now in this picture we are going to learn about the conventional symbols, mean the symbols. Okay, here we are going to learn about the symbols which are used internationally by the cartographer means person who used to make maps. So for these are the symbols which are used by the cartographer, such as bus station, taxi stand, light rail station, train station, airport, seaport, apartment, factory, museum, church, Chinese temple, mosque, Hindu temple, school, community hall, then swimming pool, fast food, food cart, cinema, public toilet, telephone, petrol station, resting area, golf course, playground, nuclear reactions. So these are the symbols used by the cartographer. Now, as the lesson is already over in the last class, I already explained the lesson. Today, just I've given you one small recap. Let us do the first question. What is the first question? As you can see, answer the question in detail. The first question is explain the significance of map. So, what are the significance? What is the meaning of significance? The meaning of significance is importance. What are the importance? What explain the importance in this question? You have to explain the importance of maps. So the significance of maps are as follows. The first one is maps represent the real world on a much smaller scale. Second one is they help us to travel from one location to another. Third one, they help us to organize information. And the fourth one is they help us to figure out where we are and how to get where we want to. So these are the significance of maps. So with this, I am ending this class here. In the next class, I will start a